Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It is day 29. I feel like I'm losing my mind a little bit.
Get it together.
I'm not in the whole let's make a video every day mode anymore. I'm like starting to drag ass. Okay? Here we go. Today is a carrot cake.
Yay!
Vegan carrot cake. I love carrot cake. Traditionally not vegan, but today it's vegan and oil-free. We've got all good ingredients, as my mom would say. How could it not be good? And yes, that is her accent. We've got a banana, which just open. We're gonna take our banana first, and we're just gonna, you know, mash it in the KitchenAid. Here we go. Okay, we want it to be pretty well pureed, so that looks pretty good. I guess we're gonna add the rest of the wet ingredients to that. So Maddie's
You're putting
favorite.
that in my cake?
Yep, Maddie's favorite, just a little bit of apple cider vinegar.
Oh no.
That's gonna help it rise. It's gonna interact with the baking soda, and it's gonna say, oh, I don't like you, apple cider vinegar. Get away. We got some water. We're gonna put in some vanilla. Don't worry, all of the ingredients will be in the info box listed. So we're gonna get this mixed up, and then basically we're gonna dump the rest of the ingredients in. Next up, we're gonna put the sugars in. This takes a lot of sugar.
Woo!
Yeah, this is a whole cup of sugar. I'm halving the recipe today because we're a small group, so I don't want to make this giant cake that's going to be hanging around forever. I will put both the half version and the full version, if you want to make a 2-layer, in the info box as well. So I have half coconut sugar, and I'm trying something new. I'm trying this Lakanto monk fruit sweetener, which is kind of like a lower calorie alternative, and it's natural. It's not like a artificial sweetener. So we get the sugar in there. Next, we've got our spices. We've got some cinnamon, we've got pumpkin pie spice, and we've got our salt and the baking soda. We're also going to add the flour at this time. Flour and powdered peanut butter. So that comes under many different names. PB2, PB Fit, powdered peanut butter. You don't want to overmix because we are using a gluten flour. And if you overmix, it's going to be tough. So you just want to mix it until it's combined. Now comes the magic ingredients. It's called carrot cake for a reason. There's carrots in it.
What?
Yeah. And walnuts. I used extra walnuts.
Okay.
Because I really like walnuts. I don't know if Maddie does or not. Do you?
It depends.
So that's a no.
No, I like them in baking. I wouldn't just eat them by themselves.
Okay. Fair enough. Alright, there we go. That is it. That's so simple. You could do this as cupcakes, or you could do it as a sheet cake. We're doing it in a pan, so I've already put my cooking spray on there. Yeah, we're just going to scrape this bad boy in here. This is going to go into a 350 oven for about 35 minutes. Of course, you know, regular baking rules apply. That doesn't change when you do vegan baking. It's if you can insert a toothpick or a knife in there and it comes out clean, it's ready. This might be more like 30 minutes because 35 is for like a round layer. So probably like 30 minutes if you're using this size pan. All right, you're going away. You're going away. Bye. Be delicious. The cake is out of the oven, and here it is.
Smelling
looking
good.
Amazing. I wanted to do a cream cheese frosting, but I didn't want to use vegan cream cheese because it's
Really, really bad for you.
Well, this isn't great either, but at least it has less sugar. This only has 3 tablespoons of sugar. in it. I'm using the monk fruit sweetener again. You could, even if you use 3 tablespoons of regular sugar, it still wouldn't be that bad. There's a lot of oil, but at least there's just a little bit of sugar. Some of the other ones called for like 2 and 3 cups of, you know, powdered sugar. That's a lot. So this is going to be like a vegan cream cheese-ish frosting. So like I said, I've got my sugar in there. I'm going to add a little vanilla. I'm also going to add some melted coconut oil. First things first, I think I want to mix all these up first, and then we're going to add the other 2 ingredients. And if you notice, I have my whisk attachment on the KitchenAid. If you have a hand mixer, perfect. Next thing we're going to add is yogurt, vegan yogurt. So I have some homemade vegan yogurt that I made with cashew. I'm going to be putting that in. This has to sit in the fridge for a while to harden up because it's pretty liquidy, which is fine because we're not going to be eating dessert for a while, and you don't want to put it on a hot cake because it's just going to be like, meh. Alright, that's looking very nice already. Take a look. The last ingredient is a can of coconut milk, but we don't want the watery part. We want just the white solid part. So if you put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours or like overnight, you can see this is the part that we want. It's a little tricky to get it out though. So let's hope I don't slop it up. Alright, there's some white powder on there that we want. We want you. Remember, just the white part. Oop, there's some liquidies. You don't want any of the liquidy part, so be really careful. Because the liquidy part is just going to make your frosting poopy.
Ew.
So like, we don't want any more of that because it's not going to be what we want. So now we'll just whip this up. Get it thoroughly mixed. I'll put it in a bowl and let it sit in the fridge, and then we'll ice the cake. Alright, so this is what's left of the cake. As you could see, we're going to insert the video here. This was Maddie's birthday cake at my mom's party today. So the cake was a definite hit.
Yeah.
Frosting was a fail.
It was just a little too loosey-goosey.
I had to add like powdered sugar to it, and it just it still didn't help it. I would recommend to make the cake, but just buy like a accidentally vegan cream cheese frosting.
I agree. There's no shame in that game.
You know what? Honestly, I don't even think you really need the frosting. I think it's nice, but
I like frosting.
Buy the accidentally cream cheese frosting, accidentally vegan cream cheese frosting from the store. Or, you know, make your own with the...
I think our issue was maybe too much of the yogurt or something.
I don't know.
That made it watery.
I don't know what made me think that recipe was going to work. But
it tasted good.
It was alright.
Okay. Well, anyway, that is our carrot cake recipe. Let us know if you try it. Subscribe if you want more.
And until next time, much love.